We'll stop at the old Roadhouse. No smoking. Espresso, matcha, nitro cold brew, fresh pins. Look at that Tom and Jerry. Look at that wave. We got it all here at Deus, except humans. Oh, they're around.
Just for the trash bin, right there. See? Oh my god. Oh, it's like
Great vibe in here. Great drinks. A lot of parking. But remember, no smoking. Because the last thing you want to have with a $6 coffee is a nice smoke. But they're cool. They're cool. They just got to say that. They're cool.
yeah. Not. You sound like a real swimming. You just their medicine.
This other one's open. Looks open there. There you go.
See if she leaves it.
Careful. Stay frosty. Come to Deus. Get your Tom and Jerry. Limited pin. The dude abides. Home of Venice Beach legend Jeff Lebowski. Come to Venice Beach. Come to Deus Machina. Ride your bike there. Ride your motorcycle here. Smoke one.
Stop by the Dons and watch James tan.
Yep. Stop by the Dons. Watch Chef James Tan. Follow him on Instagram. Have some of the Dons delicious 420 cheesecake. And yeah, take it all in here in beautiful Venice, California.
Hey, you have Jeff.
Shouts to Jim Morrissey.
Jeff's very helpful.
Come get blood. Our UCLA with me and Jeff Lebowski tomorrow, 7 a.m. And above all, caffeinate with your ganja.
And to our leader, Justin Greenwald. Without him, none of this would be possible.
Yep. You motivate us every day, Justin. What's up, Rosie? USA.
Every day we think,
Nice shirt.
what was Justin doing?
Fucking dominate.
Clear as